Sangog na ang kahitasan, usa ka lungsod nga labing bulahan, ang lunhaw niyang kabukiran, tinubdan sa mga kasapaan, nga midagayday sa kapatagan, kinabuhi natong tanan, may lapad kini nga kayutaan, tabunok nga sarang katamnan, ihimong maysan katubhan, sagingan kalubihan ug manggahan, mga tanom nga naghatag ug dugang kapangitaan, nga nahimong sukaranan sa panginabuhian, sa kiblawon among giamumahan, gibasigaron tribo nga buutan, nagpuyo nga matinumanon sa atong kagamhanan, managlahi man ang kagikan sa hamili niyang katawhan, sa pangandoy naghiusa sa malantarong kalambuan, ang tanan nag-amuma sa padayon niyang kauswagan, hangtod nga makabot ang gitinguhang nga tingusbawan, sa kiblawon among giamumahan, gipasigaron tribo nga buutan, nagpuyo nga matinumanon sa atong kagamhanan, kiblawan ikaw na, kiblawan ikaw na gyud, kiblawan ikaw na, kiblawan ikaw na.
The town got the name from the combined name of two lovers known as Kib and Lawan. Their love was strongly opposed by the parents of Lawan that led on to the untimely death of both lovers. Kiblawan became a municipality on June 18, 1966, when President Ferdinand Marcos signed Executive Order No. 4748, Executive Order No. 143, which President Gustavo Macapagal signed to create the municipality, was overturned by the Supreme Court. Kiblawan, located in Davao del Sur Province, is a municipality with second-class status and an area of 390.07 square kilometers. As of May 1, 2020, there were 49,381 people living in the municipality of Kiblawan. Kiblaans, an indigenous population living in Kiblawan sitios, are the ethnic group in the municipality. The municipality has a rich and diversified culture because of their unique methods of smelting brass and copper, sewing plastic beads into elaborate designs, and weaving acacia fiber. The land is also rich in nutrients, which makes it a good agricultural land for producing crops like coconut, bananas, sugarcane, corn, and mangoes. Aside from farming, livestock are one of the main sources of income for the people, mainly pigs, chickens, cows, and horses. In Kiblawan, we celebrate occasions like the Araw ng Kiblawan on June 18th, which signifies the founding anniversary of the municipality, the Damsel Festival on June 15th to celebrate our indigenous people and to give recognition to their contribution to the culture they have for Kiblawan. The Castifun Festival on October 27 to 29, and the Immaculate Conception on December 8, which is to celebrate our parochial festival. In November 10, 2016, during the Pakigdait Festival, the ancestral house of the town's first mayor, lawyer Dominador Magabilin Sr., was officially unveiled and marked to be historically significant for the municipality of Kiblawan. Nilo Falls, one of the verdant waterfalls in sitio of Linsaging, Bagong Negros, added another exciting inclusion to the ecotourism package of Kiblawan, an aggressive stance on ecotourism development. And as for me, who was born and raised in this municipality, I am proud to say that I am a Kiblaweño, and at the same time surprised that we have these hidden attractions that are now being cultivated and developed for you to enjoy. So for you who's watching this, come visit Kiblawan. Kiblawan, padayon tayo.